If you have Vivo V60 5G smartphone and you want to customize this quick action feature in this smartphone, then this is the video for you. Right now, when your phone is locked and you will long press your volume down button, then it will turn on your flashlight, and if you will long press it again, then it will turn it off. But you can customize this and set your favorite application and tools to this. To do that, follow these steps. Open your settings, scroll down, and then select shortcut and accessibility. There you will see the option of quick action. Tap on this. From here you can select record. So with the help of this you can secretly record any conversation without even unlocking the smartphone. So if you are having your phone in your pocket, simply reach out to your phone and then long press the volume down button, then it will start recording. You can use this. Otherwise, if you want to set any application, then select open app. Here it will show you all the applications which are installed in your smartphone. Select the app you want to set. And now whenever your phone is locked, you can long press the volume down button and then type your privacy password, and then it will directly open that application for you. So that's how you can customize this quick action feature and use it in Vivo V60 5G smartphone.